Okay, this is another installation we have today. 2016. This is a Concord 4 panel. As you know, it's GE, General Electric, but Logic is who make these panels. This is the panel. Let me cut this thing. It's in my way right now. So now, 8 zones alarm system, bypassed by the 2.0, 2.2K ohms resistors. Here we have only 3 zones. We have the front door, the back door, and the motion store. And also we have zone 9, what is the panic silence button, with this guy. You can use pendant or you can put it in any place. The good thing about this device is you don't have to put it in only one place, because that's normally what companies do. Place a button behind or under the cash register, so when somebody came and trying to robbery or something, you can push the button. But what happens if you're in another place? So this is a nice device. You can hang from your neck, or you can put it in your belt, or you can hide it any place you want and leave it there. So the battery, the RG11 connector box with the cables, everything is tests and works right now. So this is a way ProSelect Security installed this system. Of course, the key is going to the owner. It's supposed to be locked. And normally we don't do this installation like a holding from the electrical 110 volts, because again, it's not the correct way to do it. But in this way, we have a nice installation. This is Cablevision setup. We put that, I don't think you can see it, but we put the outlet switch protector on the top. This is for the speaker systems. This is for the computers. And of course, this is for the cameras. And now we're going to install 4 cameras for the DVR and